Ladies, it's Miss Dome. I am making you this little short video for our child development and nutrition class. Most of you are still working on your nutrition profile and portfolio project, and I've instructed some of you to use My Fitness Pal, and some of you are having a little bit of difficulty with My Fitness Pal, so I found another website that you could use that has a lot of good technology on it, a lot of good information for your nutrition journal and your recipes, and it is called Fooducate. So it's like educate, but Fooducate. And I really like this one. You can browse your product categories over here, things that you like to eat, and look at it, and it'll tell you your calories um, and nutrition component of your products. So all of you all know I am a dietitian, a registered dietitian. That's what I've been doing for quite a while. And to be quite honest, I've struggled a little bit with this nutrition unit to teach you guys basic healthy nutrition without getting too technical about nutrients and their functions and their actions, and it's been a little bit of a struggle for me to kind of narrow down all the knowledge I have on nutrition to what you really need. But I think this website can really help you with your nutrition portfolio. So here you can browse different things like we were. The community is more of a discussion board. People are putting things up about some of the items they've found or recipes they found here. Recipes. Your nutrition portfolio has a recipe portion. So say you are working on sweet potatoes. That's your superfood that you are working on. You can put that in here and it'll bring up recipes with sweet potatoes. This one's not a good one to look at because it don't have a lot of pictures, but some of them do. I know someone in the class is doing avocado. So if we type in avocado, which I always have a hard time spelling, you can get some recipes for avocados. Avocado cream, avocado fries. I thought those look good. I wonder if you can do those in the air fryer instead of a deep fryer. Chocolate avocado pudding. I would try it because I love avocados and I love chocolate. So you can maybe use this to help you find some recipes, to help you find your products and things that you're not finding on My Fitness Pal, about some of the foods that you're eating and their nutritional value. And then on diet tips, it gives you some tips of what you're doing, which is good. So all of these things that are on this website will be beneficial to you. It's definitely worth checking out, and I hope this helps you complete your project for child development and nutrition. Thank you.